Managing your Spotify queue. Clear it up.
Hello, Spotify enthusiasts. In today's guide, we're going to talk about how to manage your Spotify queue. Specifically, we'll focus on how to clear your Spotify queue so it doesn't play non-playlist songs. This is a handy tool that allows you to stay in control of your music listening experience.
What is the Spotify queue?
The Spotify queue is a list of songs that you've selected to play next. After your current song or playlist finishes, Spotify will start to play the songs from your queue. This is a great feature when you want to line up your favorites, but it can also play songs that you might not be in the mood for. Clearing the queue can prevent Spotify from playing non-playlist songs.
How to view your Spotify queue.
Before we talk about how to clear the queue, it's important to know how to view it. On your Spotify app, start playing a song. You will see a bar at the bottom with the song currently playing. Click on the song bar at the bottom, which will open up the song's full view. At the bottom right, you'll see 3 horizontal lines with a tiny play symbol. This is the queue icon. Click on this icon to view your queue.
How to clear your Spotify queue.
Now that you know how to view your queue, let's go ahead and clear it. Open your Spotify queue following the instructions from the previous section. Under Next Up, you'll see the list of songs queued to play. To the right of Next Up, you will see an icon with a small cross and the word Clear. Click on this Clear button, and this will remove all the songs from your queue. Do note, however, that clearing the queue won't stop Spotify from playing songs outside your playlists when the current playlist ends. This is because Spotify has an autoplay feature that keeps the music going.
How to stop Spotify from playing non-playlist songs.
If you want to stop Spotify from playing songs outside your playlist even after your queue is cleared, you'll need to turn off the autoplay feature. Go to Your Library from the bottom right of the app. At the top right, you'll see a cog icon, which is the settings. Click on it. Scroll down until you find the Playback section. Here, you'll find the Autoplay option, which says, Autoplay similar songs when your music ends. Toggle off this autoplay option to stop Spotify from playing non-playlist songs. And that's it. You've learned how to clear your Spotify queue and stop the app from playing non-playlist songs. We hope this guide was useful and will help you have a more personalized music listening experience. Enjoy your playlists without any interruption.